Hi, good morning to everyone. Myself Basaraj SC. My year 2019 CV007. Today I will discuss on the topic of characters of airway transport under the guidance of Professor Manjunath H. In this PPT, air transportation it contains introduction, literature review, and reference. In this introduction, air transport is a type of transport, a recent mode of transport. It's a gift of 20th century, and after the Second World War, it leads to development of air transports. Some most peculiar characteristics of air transport does not need a specific surface track, and no physical barrier are required compared to the other mode of transport, and it is the fastest mode of transport, and but the cost is very high. Most passenger use in other countries like USA, Germany, and coming to the definitions of air transport, it's a type of transportation to carry goods and take us from one place to another place of persons. Example: aeroplanes, jets, hot air balloons, and helipads. And this is a aeroplane, and this is a helipad, and jet, and hot air balloons. This is a picture of that air transports. Coming to the characteristics of air transports, it's an unbroken journey, rapidity, and expensive, special preparation, and change of track. Unbroken journey means it's air transports provide over land and sea. It transfer from one place to another place without any stoppable, and it's the fastest and quickest means of transport. It's a rapidity. Air transport has the highest speed among the all compared to the other modes of transport, and it's expensive. Of course, it is air transport is the most expensive means of transport compared to the other mode of transports, and whose investment in aeroplanes and constructing aerodromes and special preparations. Air transports require special preparations like wheeler links, meteorological station, artificial satellite, and searching lights. Change of track. In case of air transport, it doesn't arise at all because number of the aeroplanes, helipads in the air, in a space, moving vehicles are less, and change of track does not require at all. Fastest mode of transports, coming to the advantages, it's most helpful to us. It's a high speed, comfortable and quick service, no investment in construction of track, no physical barriers, easy to access and emergency service, quick clearance, and most suitable for carrying lightweight goods at of high value. High speeds, it's a supreme advantage. At high speed, when the time is very less, and from one place to another, moving from one country to another country, it is the most important matter, and it is a comfortable and quick service. And no investment in construction of transits means the huge construction of road surfaces are very less, no physical barriers compared to the seas, mountains, and hilly areas. Water transports are not required, and easy access and emergency services, and due to in case of floods and natural climates at the time, it's plays a very important role to supply and to essential for commodities of life, and quick clearance, and more suitable for carrying light goods of high value. It means here the time is less, and important documents like properties documents, diamonds, and bullions are a very long distance it can carry. Coming to the disadvantage, most of to us, it is very costly. The common people are not able to be move in aeroplanes, airplanes, and hot balloons at all, and it's a small carrying capacity. Its carrying capacity is very small, and not suitable for carry cheap and bulky goods. When the goods are very less amount and the transportation charges may be high, at the time it is most hazardous and uncertain and unreliable. At the time of the weather condition, it may be a snow, fog, and heavy rain. At that time, the flight taken is very risky. And breakdown and accident. In this case, accidents are very few, but breakdowns are very high. When the airpads or the accidents are broken and due to signal, it's fall from at higher region to the bottom of land surface. It may be breakdown chances very more and large investment. And the construction of that capital investment and maintenance cost of aeroplanes are very high, and it require very skilled person and training person at the pilots, and unsuitable for cheap and bulky goods. And we have discussed about preversion at the same time load carrying capacity. And coming to the literature review, it is a author of John Byrne and Dr. Jean Paul Rodrigue, title of Air Transportation Movement of Passenger and Freight by Convenience. In this paper, we have studied the characteristics and advantages of disadvantages of air transport. And George Caledron, he is one of the other, and written the review of demand for air transportation, the cost and maintenance of airlines. And a reference of this PPT, the John Byrne and Dr. Jane Bipal Raghu. Air transportation is a movement of passenger and freight by convenience. And Manjunath H, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Google Classroom Notes on Transportation, Model number 1 at the page number 123. And this completes our characteristics of air transport. And thank you.